Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the password of your account on MetaMask wallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the MetaMask wallet app on your device. And once you open it up, you will be asked to enter your password to log in. So go ahead and type in your account password and then tap on the unlock button, which will log you in to your account and take you into your wallet homepage right away. Once you are inside your wallet homepage, if you wish to change your account password, tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner. From here, tap on Security and Privacy. And then if you scroll a little bit down, you will see the Change Password button. Go ahead and click on it, and you will now be asked to enter the current password for your account. So type in your current password within the password box, and then tap on Confirm to confirm your identity. You will now be allowed to enter your desired new password for your account. Type in your desired new password within the new password box, and then type it in once again for confirmation within the confirm password box. Then click on the I understand checkbox, and finally you can now click on reset password. After clicking this button, you will be told that your password has been changed within your account successfully, and now you can use this new password to log into your account in the future. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your account password on your MetaMask wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.